The thought of being alone in this vast star-studded universe is both terrifying and fascinating. It's a question that has haunted humanity for centuries. Are we the only intelligent life, or is there someone else out there looking up at their own sky and wondering the same thing? This question has driven us to explore the far reaches of space, and what we've found has only deepened the mystery. Our journey into the unknown began with a trip to our closest neighbor, the Moon.
Hello and welcome. If you're new here, welcome to Amazing 5. Today we're gonna discuss again some amazing facts.
To find answers, NASA first set its sights on the Moon. It was the only celestial body close enough for us to reach, a mere 384,000 kilometers away. In 1968, the Apollo 8 mission made history when it sent the first spacecraft to orbit the Moon. On board were 3 astronauts who became the first humans to witness an Earthrise, a sight that forever changed our perspective on our place in the cosmos. For the first time, we saw our planet as a fragile blue marble suspended in the vast emptiness of space. But it was the Apollo 11 mission in July 1969 that truly captured the world's imagination. Neil Armstrong's famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," echoed through history as he became the first person to walk on the Moon. Armstrong and his fellow astronaut Buzz Aldrin spent over 2 hours exploring the lunar surface, collecting soil samples that would be studied for decades to come. Even today, their footprints remain on the Moon, a timeless reminder of our first steps into the great unknown. While NASA's official missions found no signs of life, some believe there's more to the story. Alien researcher Scott C. Waring has spent years studying NASA's photos of the Moon and claims to have found evidence of underground alien bases. He points to strange structures and unusual geological formations that he believes are not natural. In one instance, he identified a peculiar building-like object in a NASA photograph, but when he went back to find it in updated images, it was gone. Waring believes NASA is intentionally editing its photos to hide the truth from the public. Is it possible that there is a secret alien civilization living beneath the lunar surface? The search for answers didn't stop at the Moon. Our curiosity next led us to Mars, the mysterious red planet. Over the years, we have sent 21 robotic missions to explore its surface, though only 4 have successfully landed and are still operational. These rovers have sent back thousands of images revealing a world that was once much like our own. 3 billion years ago, Mars was a vibrant planet with vast oceans and a thick atmosphere, a perfect cradle for life. But what happened to that life? The answer may lie in the strange objects the rovers have discovered. One of the most famous is the Face on Mars, a massive rock formation that, from a certain angle, looks eerily like a human face. While NASA insists it's just a trick of light and shadow, others believe it's a monument left behind by an ancient Martian civilization. The mysteries don't end there. In 2014, the Curiosity rover captured an image of what appears to be a thigh bone lying on the Martian surface. NASA was quick to dismiss it as a rock eroded by wind, but for many it was proof that life once walked on Mars. 2 years later, another photo showed what looked like a skull, further fueling speculation. But perhaps the most compelling evidence comes from a photograph taken by the Mars rover in 2014. In the dead of night, it captured a beam of light emanating from a distant rock. Alien researchers like Waring believe this could be a sign of an active underground alien civilization. Could it be that aliens are not just a relic of Mars's past, but are still there, living beneath the surface? The story of our search for extraterrestrial life is far from over. Each new discovery only raises more questions. What we know for sure is that the universe is far stranger and more mysterious than we ever imagined. Whether we will one day find definitive proof of alien life remains to be seen. But one thing is certain: the quest to answer the age-old question, are we alone, will continue to drive us to the stars and beyond.